Hoop studs look great, and you can add interchangeable drops like this. And to prevent it from slipping on the other end, you can use silicone-filled enhancer beads like this, and that's the result. Or you can also pinch the end and flare it until it is larger than the size of the loop, and that's the result. You can wear it simply or add interchangeable drops like this. And for slightly larger hoop studs, you can curl the end, as I've done there, as well as texturize using a pair of round nose pliers. That way I can make divots, lines, all the way through, or in certain parts to make it organic. And also, if I want to, I can pull it so that it becomes an elongated hoop. And you can see the difference